If you love guava fruit but lack garden space, have no fear. Growing guava in container is super easy. In this video, I will show you how to grow guava plants in pots. Growing guava in pots is not only easy but rewarding too. All you need is a small container and your plant will give you enough harvest for the entire family. Subscribe and press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from urban gardening. Guava trees grows large in pots. It can be reduced to 2 to 3 meter. Select a pot that is at least 12 to 15 inches wide and deep to provide the plant a sufficient space to grow roots. Be sure the pot has adequate drainage holes at the bottom. Cover big holes with small stones. Covering drainage holes in pots keep the soil in the planter and it still allows water to drain. For growing guava in pots, select a quality potting mix or make your substrate using 50% garden soil, 30% compost and 20% river sand. Fill 60 to 70% of the pot with the soil mix. Guava can be easily grown from seeds and cuttings, but I recommend you to buy A-layered or grafted plants from the nurseries, as they will grow easily and will bear fruits in a short period of time. A-layered or grafted guava plants will bear fruit about 5 to 6 months after planting if they are given good care. You can buy grafted and A-layered fruit plants from Saptagiri Nursery. Contact them on WhatsApp and on Instagram. Details are on the screen and in the description box down below. Make a hole twice as wide as the spread of the roots of the plant you are planting. Now place the root ball into the hole. When the root ball is set, fill the pot with the soil mix. Work quickly so the roots are exposed as briefly as possible. Now carefully fill in with small handfuls of soil. Pat gently to eliminate air pockets. Do not pile soil on top of the plant. Make sure the stem is completely above the surface. Do not compact the soil too hard. Keep it loose. You want to make sure that your plant has room to spread its roots and grow with little resistance. Leave an inch between the soil surface and the rim of the pot. Water the container. This will settle the roots into their new home. If the soil levels drops below the top of the root ball, add additional mix to bring it back up. New growth will appear after 8 to 10 days. While growing guava in a container, choose a location that gets at least 6 to 7 hours of direct sunlight daily. The more sun it gets, the better it will be for healthy growth and more fruiting. During this phase, flower buds becomes completely visible and on average this period varies from 18 to 24 days in different varieties. Fertilize them with organic fertilizer once every 25 to 35 days. We will use rock phosphate, seaweed extract and cattle manure to fertilize our plant. At this stage, plants need more fertilizer and water. Add 3 to 5 handfuls of cattle manure and add 2 tablespoons rock phosphate. Phosphate is important to plants as it encourages root growth and increases the uptake of other nutrients. Work it into the first few inches of the soil with a gardening tool and add water immediately after adding fertilizers. Watering helps the fertilizer to activate and to break down and begin feeding nutrients to the plant. At this stage, buds will start to swell up and sepals are slightly open. During this phase, the beautiful white smooth flowers begins to show off. The flowering period is usually about 20 to 45 days long. The length of bloom is affected by the variety, season, and growing region. Guavas are usually self-pollinated, although pollination may also occur by insects. There are over 100 varieties of guavas in the world, different from each other by their flavor and appearance. Most of them can be grown in containers, but Allahabad Safeda, Lucknow 49, Lalit, Taiwan Pink, Mexican Cream, Tikal, Indonesian Seedless are some of the best varieties. Fruit appears about 12 days after the plant blooms and takes 90 to 150 days to mature. A mature plant can set many flowers, of which about 80 to 85% actually set fruit. However, due to the normal process of fruit drop, only about 50 to 60% of the fruits actually mature. Always water when the topsoil feels a little dry to the touch. Always water your plant until the water comes out of the drainage hose. That way you know the soil is getting moisture all the way to the bottom. During growing season, water once in a day, and in winter, water once in every 3 to 4 days. Guava plants have shallow roots that absorb water and nutrients rapidly. In northern India, guava flowers twice a year from April to May and from August to September. Plants growing in containers need more fertilizing than those in the ground. The more you water, the more quickly you flush the nutrients out of the soil. Liquid seaweed fertilizer can be watered into the soil or sprayed onto the leaves. Add 10 to 20 ml per liter water. Mix well and add 250 to 500 ml per plant. The guava plant is a heavy feeder, so it must be fertilized every 30 to 45 days when it is young, then 3 to 4 times a year once it gets mature. Fertilized fruit plants not only bear more fruit but they also produce larger and tastier fruit. The guava fruit matures in 2 to 4 months after the flowers bloom. The guava fruit remains hard and green but changes color and becomes soft when it is ripe. There are several ways to harvest fruits. One can go for manual handpicking of fruits at an interval of few days. Fruit shape, size, the color of flesh and skin usually depends on the variety. You will know when your fruit is ripe and mature enough to pick by the change of both its color and texture. Color will change from dark green to yellowish green and then the fruit will soften. Squirrels and birds can damage your whole crop. For that, wrap fruits with newspaper or fruit bags. Leaves may need to be removed when bagging. Fruit bagging is a physical process of covering the developing fruits with any material. This is a very important step to protect the fruit from any insect or pests and to improve the fruit quality. Guava plant needs regular ample watering. They need even more water during fruit development so the fruit can ripen properly. These fruits cannot be maintained on the tree longer in ripen stage, so fruit picking should be done as sooner as they attain maturity. When the conditions are right, a single tree in a pot can easily produce 15 to 18 kgs of fruit per year. To get big size fruit, allow no more than 2 to 3 fruits per branch. Also thin out the fruits if they are developing on a small and weak branch. Peak harvesting periods in North India are August for rainy season crop, November December for winter season crop, and March April for spring season crop. Once fruiting season is over, fertilize your plant with rock phosphate as it will give an extra boost for the next growing season. After you have applied the fertilizer, give your plant a slow and deep watering. If you want to store the fruit, it's best to store them when they are still green. You can keep them in the fridge for up to 3 to 5 weeks without rotting.